Hi, this is Michael from Nonstop Coding, and in this video, I'll show you how to use Biugo-video maker, photo video maker, video editor that you can get from Play Store. But before we do, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated on my latest videos. So as you can see, I have opened my Google Play Store, and in here, search in Biugo. Here it is. And before we install this up, let's take a look at the pictures in here. Hot Reel Trending, Magic Effects, Festival Templates, AI Cutout, Select Music, Save and Share, and so on. Alright, let's go ahead and install it. And while waiting for it to complete, I just wanna let you know the main features available for this video editor. Provides a new vfly video editing experience with massive free magical video templates for Bigo Live. You can create fun videos and MV with various themes for your family, friends, and lovers by just a few steps. You can share wonderful vfly videos on social media with a series of free magical video templates. You can create your special vfly videos to show your love and dream record anniversary and festival. Tell others your unique moments with this. You can make an awesome electronic photo show in easy 3 steps editing. After adding images, you can select background music and start to build your own musical album with this MV Master app. And by using your pictures, add photos to templates to generate magic effects video that belong to you. You can create videos and share them with friends on social media such as vfly, WhatsApp, ShareChat, Share It, We Like, Video Status, and so much more. Alright, it's done, and here it is. So I have opened the Biugo. So this is the home page. As you can see, these are the things that you can do with this app. So you can go to each of these tabs in here. So if you want to go to love, there, so filters for love, you just have to select which one do you want to apply. So let's say that you want to use this filter here, so you just have to tap it. For example, this one, we want to use this, so butterfly light. You just have to tap the make and then select your photos. So let's select 3 of them. Okay, you have to select 5 photos in order for this to be applied. And right now it's currently loading. Let's wait for it to be completed. Alright, so as you can see, the effects has been applied to all of our photos. So I'm using the famous actor's photo, so Jackie Chan, since I'm a fan of this. There, and then you can also replace the music if you want to. So you have the option to tap a photo to replace or crop it. There, crop or replace. Then music, you can also select a music from here. So there's a featured which you can use. So you just have to select one of these. So just play it. And then if you want to use this, if you think this is the good music for your video, then use it. Let's just cancel it. So there, you can even trim it if you want to. And then if you want to use this, then tap the check mark. If you just close and go back, you can also filter it by selecting any of the categories in here. So pop, there, and then remix, there, and then music, magic, funk, hip-hop provided, and so on. So local is where you can use your own music. So let me just go back, and once you're done with the editing, then just tap the make, and the video is now completed. And there you have it. So we can now share it to our WhatsApp, Facebook, wallpaper, Instagram, Twitter, or TikTok. It's up to you. And now, if you notice, successfully saved to our gallery. So this photos has been saved to our galleries. Now you can now exit, or you can go back and choose another filters. So cartoons, there, your photos will become cartoonized. So you just have to select the filters that you want to use. So if you notice, there's really a lot of effects in here. Funny there. You can use this runaway princess there. You can even have wallpaper, just like that. And then magic closet, VIPs there. So just look for the effects that you want to use. So there's really a lot to use in here. So here is where you can use the wallpaper there. So that's the example. So there, and then you can set it as wallpaper there. Then cut there. You can choose the effects in here. Magic sky there. So you have the option to choose to select any of the filters in here. So what I like about this app is that it has really easy to use, since everything is already filtered. You don't have to do some editing. You just have to select the photos that you want to use and then select the filters. So it's really easy to use. Like this one there, the examples, it's going to look like that. So you can even also use the search and so on. Alright, so that's it for this video, and I hope that you have enjoyed watching this. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.